So this was my second last video. I will continue to read the rest of this post about decentralized cryptocurrency exchange, Ripple, XRP, Bitcoin, peer-to-peer, and so on. So I just repeat the last sentence of this paragraph, so which inspired me to make a video about the incentive for donation. The founders are keeping 20% of the total XRP for themselves as a reward and incentive for developing the network. The rest will be distributed over time through sales and giveaways as the currency gains value. So now I continue here new. Like other cryptocurrency networks, Ripple has user-defined privacy. This means that the system is only as private as each user allows it to be. If you share your Ripple address with anyone, they will be able to see all incoming and outgoing transactions. Therefore, it is best to keep your address private if you do not want your transactions to be monitored by others. To protect your privacy during commerce, you can create one wallet for spending and trading, and another for receiving, never linking the two in name. More privacy features are in the works to make Ripple more private and protect against abuses that can occur in a public ledger system where all transactions can be tracked and monitored. Until then, it's best to just use different addresses for different contexts. To get started with Ripple, go to the ripple.com register page. Here you can click here and fill in the blanks to create a new wallet. Be sure to choose a good password. Here you can click, gives you more information about good password. Write down your password and secret key and keep them in a safe place. After you've created your wallet, you will need to add XRP in order to create trust lines and make payments. You can purchase XRP from others who already have it via an exchange website or a local meetup. There are also XRP giveaway sites, faucets, and community forums where you can make a request for XRP. After you have XRP, you can create trust lines to other users, send payments, and place orders in the Ripple Open Order Book. Be careful who you issue trust to. You might get stuck with a balance which cannot be redeemed. A Ripple balance is an IOU debt which is easily transferred by those who trust the debt issuer to redeem the IOU for whatever they claim is backing it. For example, ABC Gateway US dollars would be a United States dollar IOU is issued by ABC Gateway, redeemable in theory for real US dollars. Only users who trust ABC Gateway will have to hold that balance for US dollar payments. If a user trusts two gateways for a US dollar, then at a time their US dollar balance for one of these gateways could be swapped out by the network for an equivalent amount of US dollar from the other gateway. This is how the pathfinding feature facilitates payments between gateways. If I'm buying something from you and I have US dollars and you only accept CNY, the Ripple will give a path and nodes which will take my US dollar and eventually give you CNY. The CNY, the Chinese yuan renminbi, is the currency of China. If no path is found, the payment will not happen and we will have to try again. This is a feature, not a bug. It means no one gets stuck with a Ripple balance they don't want. If you want to take advantage of Ripple's distributed currency exchange capability, you will need to have an XRP balance equivalent to the amount of currency you want to trade, or you will need to purchase gateway-issued currency from others who have them. Each other entry costs a small amount of XRP, since it adds an entry to the Ripple ledger. Once you have enough XRP or gateway-issued currency, you can go to the Trade tab in the Ripple client and place orders to buy and sell XRP or currencies from trusted gateways on the Ripple order book. Alternatively, excuse me, I touched wrong the touchpad on my laptop. Alternatively, you can perform an immediate trade for a desired currency at the best market price by using the Convert option in the Wallet tab. Once you have the desired Ripple balance, you can either spend it on goods and services, send it for another Ripple balance, send Bitcoins to a Bitcoin address, or redeem the balance at its issuing gateway for the asset backing the balance. Rather than register with a currency exchange and hand over personal information and money for fees just to trade currencies with others, Ripple enables you to perform this function in the cloud, making currency exchange easy, inexpensive, and private. There are many opportunities opened up by the Ripple project, opportunities for both fun and profit. Developing new and exciting applications, market making to provide liquidity, forming a gateway to provide neighbors with access to the network, creating new community currencies and mutual credit systems, banking in the cloud, and much more. I look forward to seeing all the cool things that will be done with this promising technology. This star here belongs, I think, to here. which the sentence which inspired me to create the second last video. So soon it's over. The distribution model for XRP permittedly remains my one issue with the project. The other previous issue I had, the fact that the server code was closed source, was solved by Ripple Labs open source but the server code, and is also a contentious point raised by many in the cryptocurrency community, to the point of pushing some to erroneously call Ripple a scam. It's no scam, okay? I would prefer that XRP be created and distributed over time in a logical and predictable way to those providing value to the network, rather than arbitrarily by a central entity, perhaps, for example, to ledger validators every time consensus is reached, or via targeted microproof of work with hashcash or bitmessage. But since I am not a developer and am not well versed in the technical limitations of the possible solutions to the problem at hand, I will leave this challenge to those who know better. I do not look at XRP as the unique and valuable feature of Ripple anyway, since I believe that XRP is already a superior cryptocurrency for many reasons. Rather, I find value in the mining-less consensus process and the distributed exchange protocol, which makes Ripple such a fluid, efficient payment network. This author accepts tips via Ripple at this address. John Light. Why you should tip your writers. Let's Talk Bitcoin is powered by volunteers doing good work through the cryptocurrency ecosystem and sharing this experience with the community as a whole. If you found this article to be valuable, please send a Bitcoin tip which will go straight from your wallet directly to the wallet of the writer. No middleman, no payment processor. Pure value, for value. Thank you for supporting our model. I have still not, I have opened already my Bitcoin wallet, but now I don't have this posted, but you can follow me on Twitter. I follow you back, and as I said in the last video, I'm working on a project of incentive for donation money because intellectual property inhibits creativity. Look at this picture. It's not the same. I was caught stealing office supplies. You, on the other hand, got caught stealing ideas. What is worse? Everything is a remix. Intellectual property inhibits creativity. So follow me on Twitter. I follow you back.